Hello, welcome. This is George Trudeau, and you're watching this video because you are taking public speaking with me this year. Yay, very exciting. I recognize many of your names, of course, so I am so sad that we won't be able to see each other in person, but virtually will be second best. So good to see you all again. If this is your first time having me as a teacher, well, welcome. I look forward to teaching you this year. So, public speaking, well, what is this whole class about? It is about speaking in public. There we go. So, how do you access the syllabus? Well, I'm not going to be too, I'm not going to belabor the point on this video because y'all are not freshies anymore. So, you know how Canvas works and can navigate through. But if you're a parent watching, then I could still show you how to do a few things. So, this is how you access the syllabus. Oh, whoops. There it is. A few things you'll note about this class. This is a fall class, so you're just having this for a semester, and then you will likely be rolling into research and writing. The course description is public speaking is a semester-long class designed to enrich your effectiveness of verbal, nonverbal, and group communication. So it's all about learning how to communicate and communicate well. You're probably asking, how on earth can we do this virtually? How can we speak in public from a computer? Well, the answer is technology. We're going to be using this app called Flipgrid, where you will record yourself and you'll be able to send it to me. But we will go over more of that. So just a few things to note about the syllabus. You know the 65-35%. Remember that coursework is there to prep you for the assessments and tests and all that. We will be likely doing mostly quizzes at the very least, if not all quizzes. So there's not going to be a lot of tests, especially right now. There are going to be open note quizzes. So you'll need to, but they're going to be timed. So you can't be like, oh, I'm going to wing it. No, you actually have to know the content. You have to read the chapters, and you have to just be aware of what's going on so that you know what is on the test because it's timed, right? So again, most of y'all, if you've had me, are very familiar with this. Again, if this is your first time, this is just the way that this class will operate. It'll be a timed open note test. So make sure you know everything. And know where all your notes and stuff are. That way you can take the quiz and just knock it out of the park like that. I have some requirements: notebook, writing utensils, lined college rolled paper, and especially iPad. I have here, you have to download the Flipgrid app. So if you want to get ahead, download the Flipgrid app, and that will be good. Classroom rules. You know these rules, you'll do fine. Be respectful to your peers and your teacher. Work hard, be proactive. Part of being proactive is communicating with me, so make sure you email me, and that if you have any issues, that way we could talk. I could also schedule some private meetings as well. Parents, you could be there too. That way we're all there and communicating clearly. That's up to you if that is what you would like. But just, email me, and if you need further help or resources, then that will be fine. Online learning. So this class will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And like I said, I have it here if you need further guidance. We can schedule time. I'm going to be best on Fridays, but I could be flexible. So just be sure to reach out to me, communicate. That's part of being proactive. Parents and students, I underline here, so make sure you read this part because this is the acknowledgement about the class. Please read through the syllabus carefully. If there are any issues with the expectations, you must email me by Friday, July 24th. If I do not receive this email with your concern, I assume you are agreeing to the content of the syllabus. So if there are any issues, which, I know it's public speaking, so it's kind of just standard stuff. But theoretically, if there was, you would have to email me by that point in time so that I could actually, address your concerns. Okay, so y'all are familiar with how Canvas works, but again, just need to show you. Oh, wait, this is new. Okay, so again, if you've had me, the Canvas pages will look a little bit different, but you'll still be able to identify things. So I showed you where the syllabus is. I have this on student view, so that way, you can follow along. If it's not exactly the same, just, do some inferring, or send me an email. Or if you're able to find an upperclassman, I feel like they are so helpful, but I don't have them as a help because of virtual learning. But maybe you know an upperclassman and you can call them. They will probably know more than me about Canvas, I can assure you. So quarter one, week one, that's what Q1, W1 stands for, July 20th through the 24th. You will notice that I have the in-class meetings here. It says 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Tuesday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Thursday. Those are the only times we meet in Zoom. And guess what? You got to be there. I'm taking attendance. So you have to be there and you have to attend. That way you know what's going on. On Tuesday, I will be going over the syllabus and the pacing guide, and you could click on these links here. We will be figuring out how to use Flipgrid, and you will post your very first Flipgrid video. I need that in by Friday. Why did I put it at Friday and not, Monday? Well, that way you've got plenty of time to, it's going to be some trial and error, but once you figure it out, then we'll be rolling. If you're a little bit confused on Flipgrid and how it is, well, we'll talk more Tuesday, we'll talk more Thursday. Again, I indicate the time of the meetings. We're on an A-B schedule, so you're having me every other day except for Friday. Fridays are if you need to reach out for teachers' help and just, figure out what's going on. That's what Fridays are for. So please talk to me, please email me. It'll take some trial and error, but it's going to be a lot of fun. Public speaking has some fun, very fun topics. I'll just show you one. So this is the pacing guide, and your first speech is going to be this week on who you are. It's just a hello. It's just to let me know who you are. And then the second one is going to be on a pet peeve. Something that just kind of annoys you, right? So that's going to be your second speech. And these are to be just personal and fun and something that you could be very creative with. So by all means, be creative with it. Tell me what your pet peeve is. Tell me who you are. And, if I know you already, which I know many of you, tell me something I don't know about you. So nothing I already know, that wouldn't be fun, but tell me something that I don't know about you. That is pretty much it as far as Canvas and this year is concerned. Parents, I encourage you to take a look at the video that the welcome video, and take a look at the syllabus that I have there. Students, please read through that. Please read through that syllabus and make sure you know what the expectations are. You know pretty much all the rules. Is be respectful, be nice, be kind, and things are gonna go very smoothly if that's our starting point, is kindness. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you all virtually, and we will figure out how Flipgrid works and what to expect from this class on Tuesday. Okay, I will see you then.